Alright guys, so what you're about to see is me and the boys, we got together and we took this old shed slash garage we had on the side of our house that was filled with wood, trash, so many, a live possum, there's so many things in there. We took it all out and basically cleared it out to make it a garage for the G8 because we knew we wanted to make these videos that we're making now. I actually filmed this almost 2 years ago, and this was before I started vlogging. I just got a GoPro, had no clue what to do with the footage, and somehow I made sure the footage got deleted. So I now have footage of us pouring the concrete and us adding all of our stuff, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll see y'all at the end of this video discussing what it looks like right now. But until then, we have some updated videos.
See what the challenge was like. Yeah. Never got none. There's a lot.
Let me give you some support.
Hold that phone real quick. You know, get the fuck out.
Wait, what'd you do? You can't do nothing but let me touch you.
What?
You couldn't do nothing but let me touch. All your hands are full. The one's holding you up, the other one's holding the trail. You're gonna drop
scared shitless.
Yo.
Oh yeah, that shit was good. Yeah.
For those of you non-NASCAR fans on my channel, we chasing 8, baby.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. We probably should put like a piece of wood right there so it kind of, you know, it's not at an angle.
Yeah.
Where that block go?
It'll be alright.
What we using?
Yeah, it does look a lot better.
You got any more? Hold the light. You got her?
Yeah.
I can double them up.
Yeah, double them up. I didn't think about that. Look at you, man. You make some big decisions up in here today. We might just promote Joe to, like, vice president. Alright, boys. Next part of the vlog, we got the big signs you about to hang up. You know, kind of antique. Some of these are given to me. Some of these I bought. Like, some of these are brand new. My favorite,
you know, not real.
my favorite one out of them all.
That's my favorite one.
That's pretty dope.
That's my favorite one.
But I think I'm gonna go with this chevron. I don't know. I just like. This is something about it. The dude gave me a killer deal. He wanted 20 for it. He wanted 20 for this.
Let him know that.
And 32 for that. I think.
Show them which ones aren't real though. Show them which ones are real.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. So like these ones actually like. These ones are brand new. These 4 right here.
They're fake.
They're pretty fake. These ones right here are like original.
That's original. Real.
This is original.
Real.
Real. Like these were hanging up on my dad's old shop on the outside, so these are pretty dope. Same thing like this. That's an engine cover, but we just got that up there. Valvoline, you know, come check us out. You know.
Yeah. Rigid.
So I like that one right there. I really do.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like that one there?
Yeah. Stuff on the roof though, up top or no? We got a lot of signs here, so I don't know how you wanna.
I don't know, roof getting a little
Stop
crowded.
sign up here? You want not?
Yeah.
Huh?
Roof getting a little crowded right
Yeah,
now.
she is getting crowded.
Them lights are so dope.
No.
Garage doors and just having everything wide open. We're getting a garage door soon, boys. Maybe next weekend.
Where you want this big boy?
Or maybe the garage door will be at the end of this video. It all depends how we're doing it. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Hold on. Both of them are in the way, ain't they?
Yeah. Like that. Looks like it's actually driving.
Boys, well, we got most of the signs up, so bam, we put the Sinclair up there, Chevron, stop signs, interstate battery, you know, the King sitting up over there. That's a lot of people's favorite ones. So this is what it looks like from the, I don't know how good it comes up, but like,
Where'd you get those stools from?
it looks so good with the two chair, I mean with the lights. And
Man, you said you want to put a table in here. We're gonna get 2-story in this bitch. We're gonna get a table. We're gonna have meetings at. Shit.
no,
Yeah, shit looks good though, bro. Keep this floor clean.
on and off. Bam. They turn it off. Bam. Yeah. That's our custom light switch right now, boys.
This shit looks pretty dope. I mean, without the lights on, it looks good, bro.
Yeah. And it's a little sketch, but we'll be alright.
I think it's alright. I really don't think it's
Yeah. Alright, boys, so what we just got, the garage door is ready to go. Oh my god, man, I'm so hyped I finally got it. It's been a whole year since I've had this garage. Did the concrete floor this time last year, and here we got the garage door. We're gonna install it tomorrow, me and my uncle. But yeah, this is a big accomplishment for the channel right here, and the garage and the G8 and just everything. I'll be able to work on my car and like have the garage door there. But I'm excited, so we're gonna install it. I'll show you like what this all looks like in a second.
Holes here are 4. Okay, lower your end.
All right, boys, so here's the garage door. We got a full manual door. It's pretty nice. I know this ain't a big shop. I know this garage is nothing serious or big, but to us, like me, Joe, and Dante, we came in here and this place was filled to like the top with wood, junk. I mean, there was so much, it was so nasty. There was a live possum in here, but unfortunately I lost all that footage. Like I said, that sucks, but it was just me not knowing what I was really doing. Here's our latest oil spill from, I think this was Dante's car. I didn't have any stuff to spray on it, but it don't matter. So this is where we did the cam. This is where we do pretty much all the work on the car. This is my dad's toolbox. He gave that to me, so hyped that I got this thing. You know, my old fender. We got that thing hanging up as a souvenir. Here's my tire when I thought I was getting my rim back, but we never got a rim back because it's pretty much toast. It's bent. I say it in like in every video. We got the drag set up over here. But yeah, man, this is a little, I call it the little hut we got. Oh, this is my favorite thing that I did. So this thing, couldn't really figure out what to do with it, so I made this my ratchet wrench set. So it's pretty handy, I think. Put a rack up, car cleaning supplies, jacks, just miscellaneous stuff. I'll give you all a sneak peek. So I keep all my main tools, all my main sockets in that one piece. This gets pretty scary. I'm gonna have to go through this summer. But this is pretty much all. This thing is filled with tools. There's the my old cam, torque converter, springs, you know, all that bull crap. Okay, this is it. You know, we got a little 2-story up there. Oh, she's falling down. Whoops. Oh yeah, we got an air compressor. Nice little setup here. This little thing is a creeper, folds down. I dig the signs though. I don't know, it's just something small. Like, and so everybody that helped, there's pretty much all my family members. My uncle knows how to pour concrete. My 2 cousins, they know how to do concrete. So, I mean, this isn't much at all. So we came in here and got it done pretty much. I just kind of put this, it's been at my house this whole time. And I'm like, you know, like all this junk and everything in here, we can make something out of it. I mean, the concrete was pretty cheap. That's all we really had to pay for. And then the garage door, my uncle, he came help me out. We rigged it up because we didn't know if it would actually work or not, but it makes it. So yeah, our little lighting system, you know, it's all rigged up and everything. But I mean, I like it. I think it gets the job done. Eventually, we want to go bigger. Hopefully, we can maybe expand it, or at some point, maybe tear it down and build a new one. We'll see where that goes. But you know, we're going on a budget. We got too many car parts we got to buy for the 8. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully, you made it this far. Let me know what you think of it, what we did, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.